Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the handbag housewife, and I have a question for you today. Do you ever have those days where you just feel kind of blah? I'm having one of those days today, and I just got something that arrived on my doorstep that might just break that feeling and shove it away, because I have an unboxing for you today. Unboxings make me so happy. The anticipation of the boxes and when they're going to arrive drives me a bit crazy sometimes. This particular box came from bagshop.com, and I love them over there. I always call to place my order. I never place it online, and they've taken really good care of me. Now this one was shipped, and for some reason it never popped up on UPS My Choice, so I was kind of worried because I couldn't track it. And I track those things like a hawk. Some people just let it go, and when it comes, it comes. Me, I'm like, I want to know what day it's coming. I want to have the time range when it's coming. I want to be standing by my door, and I kid you not, let me tell you a few stories. When it comes to receiving items that require signature, which this one wasn't one of those items, I have been known to chase the UPS truck down. Literally. There was one time when I was on a walk, and I walked down to the end of my road, and as I was walking back, I saw the tail end of the UPS truck, and I knew that they had my package that I had to sign for. I believe it was something Louis Vuitton, and Louis Vuitton always requires a signature. So I ran full out, screaming, waving my arms, saying, "Stop! Stop!" And they didn't hear me. And so I ran inside my house, grabbed my purse that had my keys inside, ran into the garage, turned the car on, backed out almost before the garage door was all the way up, and I started following where I thought they would go. Because I didn't know exactly their route, but I had a guess. I turned up the road that our street's off of. I turned north, and then I took a guess, right or left. I had two choices. I turned right, and I went just a little ways and looked down the road at the neighborhood on my left, and sure enough, there they were. And the UPS driver had just stopped his truck, and I parked my vehicle behind his, went up front and said, "I just missed you. I've been chasing you." And I'm sure he thought I was a total nut job, because I was being a total nut job. But he let me sign for my package. He knew who I was. My drivers know me almost on a first name basis, which is somewhat of a scary thought, but they do. I've also tried to track the UPS driver through that informed delivery whenever that pops up as an option, but I haven't been nearly so successful doing that. I think I've managed to make that work one time, but they have a delay for the safety of the driver from psychopaths like me. They have a delay on where they are, so when they register that they're at a certain location, that doesn't come to you until at least a few minutes after they're gone. So if they're making lots of turns, it's really just almost impossible to track them down. But I remember having a package that was supposed to arrive. Hold on, Diet Dr. Pepper break, I'm dying. I remember having a package that was supposed to arrive one day that we were leaving town, and we had to head north. And so rather than heading directly north, the most efficient route, I was taking all these back roads trying to track the UPS driver, and I never did track him down, which made me have to wait over the weekend to get it. And of course I was okay. You know, life, surprisingly, it did go on, but it was a little bit traumatizing to go the weekend knowing that UPS had my item in their possession. So here's the box of the day. UPS just left this one on my porch. Let me get a thumbnail real quick. Okay, so this is the box of the day. Unfortunately, I have a sick kid, and we were supposed to have soccer today, but he has decided he does not want to go, and that's probably for the best, because he doesn't need to spread around whatever he's got. The other day he stayed home from school, and since then he's been just trying to recover, and that's kind of where he is. Like, running and jumping is probably not going to do him a whole lot of good today. I have made one slice on this box. Number two has happened. I need to have, oh wait, no, I forgot. I must have done one in my sleep. I have cut all 3 bits, and so here is my item. Yay! Now this is a super sturdy box, which I'm happy about. And they included my receipt, which is perfect. And I have to say, I just changed shirts because since I'm not going anywhere today, I wanted to be a little bit more comfy. So I put on my tie-dye shirt, which is a thermal material, and it's super soft. Oh my gosh, this color is so much brighter than I thought it was. Ah! Okay, here we go. Looky here. You guys, I mean, it's beautiful, but this is so much freaking brighter than I thought it was. And it doesn't even show how bright it is on screen. It does have an adjustable strap. That's only half of it. That's a little disturbing. Oh, the other half of it's actually on the bag. So this is, let me put my glasses on. I know the color is Peony, and I believe it's part of the 1500 series that all these other ones are. So yes, the style number is L1500, HX is an X-ray, C is in cat 559. And this is the boxy extra small. The manufacturer's retail price is $4.95. This is just like the beige one I showed you in my other recent video that Kevin can get for you, but he cannot get the peony color, which is weird because Nordstrom sold out of the peony color after they sold out of the beige color. But yet Longchamp, they have the option to get the beige, but not the peony. This is a bright pink. If anybody here knows Coach colors, this color is very similar to Primrose, but it is brighter. It's like Primrose ate a highlighter, and there you go. So look at how cute that looks. It's brighter than my top though. I mean, I think it sort of works. It's maybe a bit much. I'm telling you, this is a pop of color. I'm wearing charcoal gray joggers that have some Tide still on them because for some reason my washing machine doesn't rinse them all the way out. And I am wearing a tie-dye long sleeve waffle knit shirt, which is way too hot for today. The temperature outside's probably like in the 70s, but inside it's a little cooler. And I'm actually thinking, I may snuggle up in bed and take a little nap this afternoon. However, we do have a basketball game to watch here at home as a family, so I maybe should not take a nap because I would miss out on that family activity. That's a tough one because my husband and I will sit there and watch the basketball game, and the kids kind of wander in and wander out. My youngest plays video games almost the entire time, but sometimes he'll come in and sit down and talk to us. So if I take a nap, then I might miss that conversation, which I treasure, because my kids don't always talk to me. My oldest, since he's been sick for the last couple days, he is talking to us a whole lot more. So if I go sit down in the living room, the odds are that with both me and his dad in there, he may come in and hang out as well. So I probably should not take a nap. But boy, it sounds tempting. Do you ever do that? You think about taking a nap and you talk yourself out of it because there are more important things in life than sleeping? It is a tough one, man. I don't know what to do. I think I'm too excited to take a nap anyway. This wasn't supposed to come till Monday, so my heart is beating a little faster, and I'll probably lay down and be thinking about what I'm going to wear this bag with and not able to take a nap anyway. It is pretty. I forgot to smell it. I mean, I know it came from the store, but the sniff test is kind of part of my whole inspection process, so it really doesn't smell like anything. They have had this bag in their shop for quite a while, so maybe that's why. It does come with its little informational card, and one thing I will tell you is that according to Kevin, the information inside of here is pretty general, and so whenever a bag says it's Matisse leather on the website, but yet when you get this card it says it's lambskin, it's actually the Matisse leather. And I did call customer service twice to find out what Matisse leather is, and they are still confirming to me that it is a mixture of lamb and goat leather. And by mixture, it means that those two leathers are blended together and then made into a new material as a combined material, and they have a smooth finish. And I don't know if they put a backing on it or if they just have a way to adhere them together where no backing is required, but it is not a solid piece of hide that they are making those bags from. That said, it's really soft, it smells nice. It's just, I want you guys to have all the information that I do. Anyhow, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, The Handbag Housewife, and drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think of this bright pink bag. I think she's a keeper, but I think all of these Longchamp extra smalls are a keeper, you know? So take care and have a fabulous weekend. Bye.